Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here today. You will need pony beads, a needle, scissors, and a lighter, and a long piece of string to start off with. And this is my pattern. I did 3 sets of rainbow, but in a 2 count, so 2 pink, orange, yellow, and so on. And then what I did was I tied it off and then cut the little piece that was there. So what we need to do on the other end of the string, you'll put your needle, and we're going to go through the first pink bead, and we're going to add a pink bead, and we're going to go through this orange bead, and then we're going to add an orange, and we're going to go through this yellow, we're going to add a yellow, and we're going to go through this green, we're going to add a green, and we're going to go through this blue. Whoa. We're going to get a blue, and we're going to go through this purple. We're going to get a purple, and we're going to go through this pink. And that's what it should look like. So we're just adding a bead, and then we're going through every other bead. So what we just did here, we're going to continue until we get to the end, and then I'm going to go ahead and do that and then show you how to start the next row. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. So my last bead was purple. To start the next row, we are going to have to go through both of these pink beads. Okay, so we're on the next row. We're going to get an orange bead, and we're going to go through this orange. We're going to get a yellow, and we're going to go through this yellow. We're going to get an orange, a green, and we're going to go through this green right here. We're going to add a blue, and we're going to go through this blue. We're going to add a purple, and we're going to go through this purple. We're going to add a pink, and we're going to go through this pink. So it's a little easier once you get that first row started, because now you know, you can see where the next bead needs to go. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to continue to do this until I get to the end, and then I'll show you how to start the next row. I'll be back. Okay, I'm at the end here. I added my last bead, which is pink. And to start the next row, you'll need to go up this pink and this orange bead. In our next row, gonna add an orange. We're gonna add a yellow. A green. A blue. A purple. And a pink. Okay, I'm gonna continue. This is what it should look like, but I'm gonna continue to do this row, and then I'll show you how to tie it off. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I put my last bead, it's a pink bead, and then we're gonna go up these two orange, and this would be the next row if you want to continue. I'm gonna tie mine off, but you can keep making rows over and over, and then your band will get longer. So it's up to you. You can make this as big as you want. Okay, that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.